Hello, welcome to Water Sign Philippines. So, ito yung reading natin for Water Sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Take only what resonates, guys, kasi hindi ito magre-resonate sa lahat, no? So, kunin mo lang yung mga messages na magre-resonate para sa'yo. Well, if you want, pwede ka magpa-personal reading, Jing Tarot Reader. Paki-search na lang siya sa Facebook. Pwede ka ding pumunta sa kanila, no? Calamba, Laguna ang location. Kung gusto mo siyang bisitahin ng personal, ayan. Mag-inquire na lang kayo sa kanya, Jing Tarot Reader. Anyway, this October, mamimili siya ng maswerteng bibigyan ng free reading. Pa-birthday niya yon sa kanyang sarili. October ang kanyang birthday. So, hopefully mapili ka. 10 ang pipiliin niya mula sa mga channels natin. Nandiyan sa description box yung ibang channels. And 10 din mula sa kanyang page at sa kanyang group. Okay, let's start. Let's start your reading, water sign. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. For water sign, please. For water sign, spirit guides, angel guides for water sign. You do have here summer. This is the Earth Guardian. And then one more card for water sign, please. Okay. Summer, Earth Guardian, and the Lady. Okay. Stay rooted and grounded. Lady, enjoy growth and reap rewards. Okay. And we do have here summer, bask in joy and light. And the bottom of the deck is the star ancestor. It says follow the voice of your soul. Okay, napakaganda ng energy nito kasi actually kung ano yung gusto mong mangyari, yun yung nasusunod sa iyo. Okay, you are rooted. Kumbaga, kung saan ka, alam mo yun, kung ano yung tingin mong makakabuti para sa'yo, yun susundin mo. Hindi ka nakikinig sa mga advice, sa mga gustong mangyari ng ibang tao para sa'yo because what you feel is right or what you feel is good for you, yun ang pinipili at ginagawa mo. So may sarili kang desisyon, may sarili kang diskarte. With the summer, nakikita natin basta ini-enjoy mo lang ang buhay mo. Okay, ini-enjoy mo lang ang buhay mo. With the Lady, I can see growth sa'yo. Talents, more on talents ang nakikita natin nag-grow. I can see yung inner beauty. So maybe may mga changes kang ginagawa sa sarili mo. Hindi physical. So inner, pag sinabi nating inner yung kaugalian mo, pwede may ugali ka na alam mong ay ayoko nang gawin to kasi hindi to nakakabuti para sa akin. May mga naiinis sa akin. So maybe yon, may kinalaman doon. And for what I can see here, may nakikita akong tattoo. So I don't know if for some of you do have tattoo. Yeah, this could be a reading or maybe thinking na magkaroon ng tattoo in the future, if not now. Yeah. Anyway, kukuha ko ng messages pagdating sa love for you, water sign. Messages for water sign. Kung hindi ka nakaka-relate, maybe this is not your reading, pero kung nakaka-relate ka, pwedeng hindi 100%. So, kunin mo lang yung mga messages na nagre-relate sa'yo. For water sign, please. For water sign, please. One last shuffle. The world is here. 8 of Cups. 4 of Swords. One more card. 5 of Cups. I'm sorry. Pagdating sa love, may mga bagay ka natanggap na wala na eh. Masakit. Part of you is masakit pa rin. Pero, mas tanggap mo na. Alam mo yon, pwedeng yung iba, hindi naman na masakit eh. Pero pag may times na naaalala mo, na naiisip mo pa rin, handun pa rin yung sakit, yung lungkot na nararamdaman mo. With the Eight of Cups, you're thinking about your future. With the World, mas nakikita natin na dumidistansya ka, lumalayo ka na sa kung ano yung makakapagpalungkot, makakapagpasakit sa'yo. The King of Cups, I feel like this is the person in your past na pwedeng gina-cut off mo na with the Page of Swords. Maybe lalo na kung may kinalaman sa third party situation. Parang natuto ka na with the Hierophant. But of course, minahal mo, nag-effort ka, nagbigay ka ng time and something dito sa taong to with the Lovers. But with the Eight of Pentacles, nakikita natin, ay hindi, mag-focus na lang ako sa trabaho ko kasi ano ba mapapala ko sa kanya? Wala naman. So, that's your energy. So, let's find out. Wait lang guys, inom lang ako saglit. Okay, I'm back. So anyway, alamin naman natin yung mula sa person na kumo-connect or ka-connect mo. Spirit guides, angel guides for water sign, please. For water sign, please. Please do like and comment down below guys. Sobrang na-appreciate ko yung comment ninyo. Hindi nyo lang alam kung gaano ako natutuwa kasi nakikita ko may mga sumusuporta sa akin. Sobrang nakakataba ng puso. Kahit po heart lang. And at the same time, of course, sana mapili ka ni Madam Jean. Okay, the Page of Swords. Knight of Swords. Maybe a young person. Pwede rin namang hindi. There's a new person coming. Paparating. Tell me about this new person. Yeah, there's this new person. The Page of Cups, the Three of Swords. Actually, I don't believe this person. To tell you honestly ha, kasi nakikita niya na, oy, ang sarap mong makarelasyon or makakonect because maybe you are the kind of person na mapagbigay ka eh. So, gusto kanya makakonect because he or she feels like you are already successful or feeling niya ikaw yung makakatulong sa kanya or feeling niya financially stable ka or financially pwede ka mag-provide sa kanya. This person maybe is in another connection or in another relationship with the Three of Cups o pwede may at saka nakakakita ko ng third party with the Three of Swords, Three of Cups, Five of Pentacles. Kailangan nga lang niya ng pera. And I don't trust this person. Hindi ako nagtitiwala sa kanya. So, why? Give me advice for water sign, please, spirit guides, angel guides. Yeah, the Lovers is here. The Lovers. I told you, maybe there's another relationship na involved. Knight of Pentacles and the Knight of Wands is here. And also, at the same time, you're dealing with a person na may mga kakonect na iba. Hindi lang yung person. Guys, this is a player. This is a player. Sarili lang niya iniisip niya with the Four of Pentacles. Can you see the energy here? It's like yapos-yapos niya yung pera and that is your person. This is the person na ayaw niya mamigay. This person is very unbelievable. Hindi siya, alam mo yon yung bakit niya yung ginagawa. Hindi niya lang ito kasi minsan ginawa eh. Five of Wands. Sanay na siya sa gulo. So, I don't trust this person. Honestly, I don't trust this person. Meron ako nakikitang message mula sa very successful person and maybe that is a friend. Maybe you have to believe whatever this person or this friend is going to advise sa'yo. So, maniwala ka sa advice ng kaibigan mo or ng pamilya mo na ito, kung sino man ito. Okay? So, thank you for watching. I love you all and bye-bye.